5 things you need to know before you start Medicare in 2024. Number 1, it's not free. A lot of people think Medicare is free because you paid in out of your paycheck your whole life. That paid for part of Medicare Part A, but Medicare Part B, you have to pay for. It's not free, and it comes as a shock for most people in 2024. It'll cost $174 a month. It's even more shocking if you're what the government considers a high earner, because you'll pay more than $174, maybe $200, $300, $400. You might be paying almost $600 a month for your Medicare Part B. Then there's Medicare Part D, your drug plan. You'll pay for your drugs. And you don't get it from the government. You get A and B from the government. D is strictly from a private insurance company. You have to work through somebody like us, independent Medicare brokers who represent over 30 different insurance companies. You don't have to call 30 different companies. So what does Medicare not cover? You need to get a plan before you go in and start making your Medicare decisions. It will not cover dental. And you're like, but would it cut? No, it doesn't cover cleanings, extractions, x-rays, implants, dentures, partials, crowns. No, it doesn't cover anything. There are some rare exceptions when it would, like if I have to have, let's say I have to have an aortic valve replaced and I have a rotten tooth, they would have to pull the tooth before the surgeon would work on my heart. It hardly ever happens that Medicare pays for any dental. So as far as you're concerned, you have to figure out how you want to cover your dental. You want to self-pay? Do you want to buy private dental insurance, which we can help you with? Or do you want to get it bundled into a Medicare Advantage plan, which about 97% of Medicare Advantage plans have some type of dental. Same with vision. What you get from the government is you get a little vision. They cover cataracts. Almost everybody gets cataracts. They cover macular degeneration, which I hope you don't get. And they cover glaucoma and one standard pair of frames after one of those surgeries. So they're not giving you a well eye visit that you go to every year to see if you have those conditions, right? And they don't pay for LASIK, and they don't pay for the fancy cataract lenses. All that stuff would be private pay. And so most people get some kind of vision insurance to help cover their annual vision and to pay for their glasses and contacts. So dental, vision, I know, it's like, what are they doing here? And ears. They don't like the head stuff. Hearing aids. Medicare, the government Medicare, doesn't cover any hearing exam, doesn't cover any hearing assistance. Now, the price has come down dramatically in the last 2 years, but hearing aids used to cost around $4,000 to $7,000. So the good news is they're not as expensive. The bad news is Medicare still doesn't pay for them. Again, if you go with private Medicare Advantage, most plans typically have dental, vision, and hearing, some type of benefit bundled in with their plan. The other thing that people are shocked to find out is that Medicare does not cover nursing home. No. If you need rehab, let's say I have surgery and I can't go home while I'm rehabbing this hip or this knee, it'll pay for short-term stays for rehab. But it doesn't cover long-term stays, which is really what the risk to your assets is, that you're going to die in a nursing home, right? And that the answer to that problem is not Medicare. You might buy private nursing home insurance. You might buy private life insurance that has living benefits to pay for nursing home, which is what I have. Or you might just wing it, put all your stuff in a trust, give it to your kids so you're on Medicaid and the state pays for you. Work with the elder law attorney to figure out which way you want to go to take care of the risk of a nursing home, because Medicare will not be your answer. So when you get ready for Medicare, give us a call. We're licensed in all 50 states. You do not pay for our services. We're independent contractors for over 30 different insurance companies. If you just want to bounce your questions off us, or you need to book an appointment to help get enrolled, go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. It's a little yellow box at the top of the page. Click on it, and we'll be happy to help. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.